In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change gravity on touch in Roblox Studio. Start by opening a Roblox Studio file, either a new place or an existing project where you want to test. Give yourself a clean workspace so it's easy to see what's happening. Next, add two parts to the scene. You can use simple blocks from the Home tab. Place them a short distance apart so you can walk between them during testing. Resize each block so it's big enough for your character to step onto comfortably. A wider surface makes testing smoother and avoids slipping off the edge. Now, in the Explorer, rename the first part to low and the second part to high. Clear names will help you stay organized and make the script easier to follow. With each part selected, make sure they're anchored so they don't fall when the game starts. You can do this by checking the anchored property. Consider giving them contrasting colors so it's obvious which one is low and which one is high when you play. Select both parts and group them into a single model. Grouping keeps related objects together and allows the script to reference everything in one place. You can also rename the model to something recognizable, like gravity pads, so it's easy to find later. In the Explorer, select the model and click the small plus icon next to it to add a new object. Choose Script. This creates a server script inside the model that can watch for touch events on the parts. Now paste the script that I'm showing on screen into that script. The script listens for when the player touches the low part and temporarily reduces the game's gravity, and when the player touches the high part, it increases the gravity. It will reference workspace, gravity, and connect to each part's touched event, then restore the default gravity when appropriate. If you're organizing your code, consider keeping the default gravity in a variable at the top so it's easy to tweak later. Also, be sure the script points to the correct part names, low and high, exactly as you set them. When you're ready, press the play button in the upper left corner to enter play mode and test. Walk your character onto the low block and notice the lighter jump and slower fall. Then step onto the high block to feel the stronger pull. If a part doesn't trigger, double-check the names, make sure both parts are anchored, and confirm the script is inside the model that contains those parts. When finished, press stop and you're done. Stop.